you remember that thing I tried, I think it was Monday last week, and I said I couldn't make it happen that day, and it would happen last week? It's happening today, so a little late, but it's happening. So when I was at that meetup in Harrisburg, we brought up the budget challenge and people were saying that they did it, and I said I didn't do it. And then I remember that I did some. My first vlogs were on my iPhone X, and I don't really consider that a budget challenge. And me and Justin talked about how awesome it would be to do a vlog off of a flip phone, a really old phone. So the remainder of this vlog will be recorded on this flip phone.
Hello. I really need to get creative with this thing. The videos don't show up on that SD card or on my computer when I plug it into this phone. So I need to record the videos from this phone onto my vlogging camera and use that footage. I will say, you think this thing is kind of funny? There's a little screen on the front, and I can change the viewfinder on there, so then I can see myself. So it's like a nice little vlogging camera. I'll show you right here. So I'm going to try some cinematic stuff with this, so tell me what you guys think. Can you guys even hear anything I'm saying? I don't really know. Alright, I just made it home. I'm gonna grab something to eat here. How's this looking? Do you guys like this? Do you like this? Funny thing is that I feel like this thing hasn't been turned on in like 5 years, but the time's still right on it. I mean, I can't build a better product. I feel like it's only right to end the vlog on this. And before I edited this, I didn't like it at all. I didn't like the idea. I was just thinking that my vlogs are turning into crappy content, and yeah, it might be crappy quality and crappy audio, but I actually love how it turned out, and I hope you did too. The point of this isn't to compare technology from way back in the day to today. It's just to get the point across that you can create no matter what equipment you have. You don't need to have thousands of dollars in camera gear. You don't need to have thousands of dollars in computer gear. You just need the bare minimum. It's not the equipment that matters. It's the story and it's the content. It's the thing under the thing. So just create no matter what. Create something every day, even if you don't post it. I hope you guys like this vlog. Subscribe, like, comment, share, do whatever you gotta do. Just be yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow.